Changes in gonadotropin releasing hormone pulse frequency in females is controlled by circulating levels of which among the following hormones? The correct answer is option A, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen. During the follicular phase of menstrual cycle, rising level of estrogen stimulates a positive feedback loop, causing the hypothalamus to release gonadotropin releasing hormone at a higher frequency, which in turn stimulates the pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone as well as follicular stimulating hormone. And this leads to the ovulation. Now, coming to progesterone, after ovulation, the progesterone level increases or rise, which lead to a negative feedback effect on the hypothalamus and pituitary, reducing the secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone, luteinizing hormone, and follicular stimulating hormone. So this helps to maintain pregnancy if fertilization occurs or to prepare for the next cycle if it does not. So that means the correct answer is option A, estrogen and progesterone.